everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then I'm Ella. Thank you so much for joining today's video. In today's video we have got a Charlotte Tilbury unboxing. So I'm doing a full face with all the products that's in this box. If you all wanted to see how I created this pink glowy winter Charlotte Tilbury look, in this video I'll be doing an unboxing to show you what the products look like. There's quite a few in here, and what the finished look is, so just keep watching. So before we start, I'm just going to put my headband on. With the Charlotte Tilbury, I will leave a link down below in the description box for you to shop with the items. You do get 15% off if you use my code, which I'll link around here somewhere. As we all know, when it comes to Charlotte Tilbury, getting discount codes and things is like hotcakes, so do make the use out of that because we never know when we're going to get another discount. So here we have the box of the goodies, so I'm just going to quickly show you. Oh my gosh, we've got quite a few bits, so I'm going to do a face full of all these products here today. So I've got nothing on my face whatsoever. What I'll do is I'll go in by steps, okay? So first we've got the Magic Cream. This one is a instant turnaround moisturising hydrating cream. So it's got SPF 15 and this is the refillable packaging one. But I've never tried this. This has been on my list for ages to use. This one's the limited edition, the Disney. So we'll have a look at that one. Apply cream to face and the neck using Charlotte Tilbury's facial technique. But yeah, it's got all the ingredients at the bottom if you want to go check online. So let's have a look. Oh, it's got diamonds on there. So this is how it comes. I have wanted this for ages. Let's have a look. Let me try. Wasting it. Oh, that smells so nice. Just took a bit too much on the back of my hand. Let's give this a go. So as I said, I've got nothing on my face. So it's really thick as well. I put just, like you say, you only need literally actually a little bit rather than a big fingernail. So I'm just going to rub that in. That feels so nice already. This really is hydrating, especially in the winter as well, because I get really cracked skin around my nose, so this is going to be really hydrated. Yeah, that's fine. It smells so rich and luxury. Oh, I didn't do the tapping motion. Let's do the Charlotte tap. I actually used to work on a counter facing Charlotte Tilbury, and I was always over there using the products when I used to do work in makeup. And honestly, the products are so beautiful. Again, that would really go suited well with the Charlotte Tilbury oil that they have. You can probably do your gouache with it or your face roller just to kind of really smooth out the skin, because that feels lovely. Next up, we've got the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, Party All Night, Slay All Day. And this one, no melting, no fading, no creasing, holds 6 inches away. Yeah, so apparently this lasts up to 16 hours. It's not working. Look at that glow. Oh my gosh, it smells so nice. It's quite nice as a spray. I've tried the Fix Plus. Didn't really like that. It's quite quick drying as well, I suppose. Yeah. Like, it doesn't feel like I've got anything on my skin, which is so good because sometimes it can be really wet. I like the look of that, to be honest. Charlotte, you're winning me, you're winning me. So when it comes to foundation, I don't really wear foundation. I only kind of spot conceal, whether it be under my eyes or on like cheeks or pimples. Usually I wear a foundation, it would be a really light one. I don't really like having thick full coverage. That was probably me 15 years ago. But now all I really like to do is kind of just spot conceal and just leave it as that to let my skin breathe. I find that when I put a lot of heavy makeup on, I do break out. So I literally will just wear nothing, Vaseline, mascara, a bit of concealer, that's me done. I have got a concealer here in a pot. I'm not going to show you the brand because this is solely for Charlotte Tilbury. But unfortunately I don't have a concealer, so this is literally all I would do usually in the day, is just pat away at my eyes. That is it. And then I've got the same concealer but in a darker one for bronze, and I did run out of the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Away concealer in the shade 7, and that is a little bit goes a long way. What I usually used to do is just take the little dough fluffy thing off the end, because that collects so much product. So that is concealer done. So then what I'll do is just kind of blot that into the skin. Then I would go in with the brown concealer for bronzing, and literally all I do is that. I used to wear so much makeup back in the day that I just thought, you know what, I don't even need to use that much. This is just a Real Techniques brush. Cheap, cheerful, does the job. Based on, that is literally all I do. So there's no foundation, tiny bit of concealer, and then the rest is just bronzing up those cheeks. Make sure it's all blended. So next up we're going to go in with blush. Yeah, I think we're going to go in blush. So I've got here the Pillow Talk. This is the Beautifying Face palette, and this is medium to deep. And this is 4, so you've got your soft blush, super glow, multi glow, and super blush. How stunning is that? That's the back. So pretty. It's like a lovely goldy pearl. Oh God, open it. Here we go. How nice is that palette? Oh, so it's like a really rich, deep, like maroon purple. You've got the pink glow. They're 2 highlighters. I think they're just matte blushes. So we're going in there. What I'll do is I'll put some on the eyes. I do have here as well. I'll use that differently though. I don't think I'll use that one. So first of all, I'm going to go in with the, which was number 1, the soft blush. I'll use this on the eyes. See here. Is that picking up? I don't really wear pink eyeshadow, to be honest. What I'll do is I'll just pop that all over the lid and just go back and forth, do the window screen motion. That's really nice. And then what I'll do is I'll just take that underneath as well to just do the lower lashes. That is such a nice pretty pink. It's quite corally actually. I don't know if you can see it here. And then what I'm going to do is just take the like maroony colour and just work that outwards on the outer eye. You see that? I've never wore a pink eye in my life. So we're just going to blend that, leave that towards the outer edge and drag it underneath. That is literally the littlest bit. And look how pigmented it is. I'll do the eye drag, so you just want to drag it back in a wing effect. Yeah, quite like that. It's not what I'm used to, but I'll work with it. And then again, I'm just going to do the same on the opposite eye. I think that's fine. Then I'm just going to take the, what's this one called? Super Glow, and I'm going to probably pop that. I think I've got another brush here actually. Just going to put that right in the centre of the eyes for a little bit of a pop, and I use that as highlight too. So let me see that really, it's not really picking up while showing. Maybe I need to just really pack that on. You can. I'm quite happy with the eyes with that one, to be fair, so I'm going to leave that. So they did also send this rose gold eyes to mesmerise. This is a long lasting, easy colour. How do I open this? Pot. I've seen these before. So this is in the shade Rose Gold, but I'm not going to put that on simply because I've just done these. I don't know if you can see that. So that is the Rose Gold colour. It's such a lovely rich pigment. I don't know how that colour pays off, so I'll probably have to do it in another video. But yeah, I'm quite happy with the eyes. So that's that one. So next up I'm using the, this is something old that I've already got, it's literally running out. The Charlotte Tilbury Push Up Mascara. So I don't know if you see here, but this is the one that they have, and it's just in the shade black. This is one of the popular mascaras that they have, and I love it. Oh, I don't just hate that when you get it somewhere else. I'm going to use this actually because it's closer, that mirror's a little bit further away. But I like how they have the flat side, so it's easier to coat from the base up. So next I'm just going to brush my brows up, and that is all I do. I have got them tattooed on, microbladed, so literally all I'm going to do is just, oh, I've smudged it. Oh, I didn't do a blush. Yeah, so which blush should I go for? I'm going to go for this blush actually. This one is in the shade Super Blush. I already put a little bit of contour on, so I'm going to go in with the Super Blush. Bang the excess off. That is so glowy. I don't know if you can see it. That is so pretty. It actually looks a little bit like, dare I say it, the NARS Orgasm one. That is so pretty. As well, this is one of the Pop Shots. So they've got two eyes from them. There's the Pop Shot in emerald green. That's really, really pretty. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it. That is so, so pretty. And then we're just going to open that one up. I'm not putting that on simply because we're doing a pillow talk look. But next up, we're going onto lips. We have three, oh, it's dropping everywhere. We have three lip products. So first off, we've got the OG, which is the Pillow Talk Lip Cheat. There we are. Again, to show you. Oh, I like it. So that's really nice actually. I don't know if it is long lasting. It's like a mauvey pink. Next up, now that the lip liner is on, we've got the Matte Revolution lipstick in Pillow Talk. So there we are. That shade would probably go. I'm not going to add this on because I am actually starting to like the matte lip. The last product that they sent is the Hyaluronic Happy Kiss, and this is the Colour Balm. So this is more me, a pot of this everywhere I go for my lips and for my eyebrows. This is my holy grail, so anything balmy I love. So this one is in the shade Pillow Talk again. Let's open this up. This is the packaging it comes with. I don't know if you can see that actually because it's so dark. That's the packaging it comes in with a little gold thing. Again, it's just a little rosy pink lip balm, but yeah, I'm not going to put that on simply because I just want to see how long this lip lasts. So this is the finished look of using Charlotte Tilbury. I am loving it. I like how it looks. It's very bright for the winter, so that is what I'm going to say, but I do want to see how long it lasts. I might put on some of the setting spray again. Just to set it all. Seems it's meant to last up to how many hours? 16 hours. Yeah, that is everything in today's video on this finished Charlotte Tilbury look. Let me know your thoughts on your favourite product or things that you've used from Charlotte Tilbury. I'd love to know what your favourite item is. Again, I will link everything below. Don't forget to check out my code, which I'll leave here again. So thank you again, Charlotte, for sending these, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye.